Hey guys, today we are going to do the mysterious sticking noise. Yeah. Okay, let's get to the sticking noise. Okay, let's get to the show. 3, 2, 1, it's go! I put it backwards. Okay. What is that mysterious sticking noise? Snake. It's kind of kitschy. Snake. Severus. Snake. Severus. Snape. Dumbledore. Snape. Severus. Snape. Dumbledore. Snape. Severus. Snape. Dumbledore. Snape. Severus. Snape. Dumbledore. Snape. Ron Weasley. Snape. Severus. Snape. Ron. Severus. Harry Potter. Weasley. Hermione. Snape. Severus. Snape. Harry Potter. Snape. Severus. Ron Weasley. Severus. Harry Potter. Dumbledore. Harry Potter. Harry Snape. Dumbledore. I found the source of the ticking. It's a pipe bomb. Yay! Voldemort, do Voldemort. Alright guys, we're gonna show you what behind here looks like. So, Ellie, can you clean up the boom scraps while I show them all this? Yeah. Okay.
I don't know why you call them boom scraps. Like, that's such a weird name.
They're scraps and they're used for booms. Here's
No, they're
Harry.
used for explosions. Okay, they're used for explosions.
Well, it goes boom.
Do you like it?
Voldemort. Ooh, Voldemort.
So,
Here's Snape. You guys can make these if you guys want.
Can you
All you
guys-
need is a popsicle stick. Glue it to here's some black colored paper, and just get out some white colored paper. Color the face tan and draw the face. That's all you have to do.
and then
And put on the hair.
you can even, like, you know what's fun? Like, you could draw, like you could make, like, your own puppets that look like you. Like,
Yeah.
that would be cool, and then do a story that happened before.
You can do anything. Okay, guys? We'll see you in our next video where we're going to be acting out the part in the classroom of the song I Wanna Rock. Okay?
Okay.